So hello friends, my name is Gaurav and today I am going to show how to edit your code with Swift language without downloading any Apple software or changing window into Mac OS. I will show how to code with Swift in your Windows 10 or in any Windows like Windows 7, 8. So let's get started. First you have to open your browser. I am opening Chrome and you have to search for repel it. The link will be provided in the description. Here first you have to sign up with your any account. I am signing in with Google account. You can sign in. Now I am choosing my Gmail. Here this is file button and we have to click on the plus button at the top right corner to get the languages option. Here the Swift language is given. There are many languages also, you can see. There is Python, C, Java and many languages more. So we have to click on Swift and then name them and click on continue button. Oh, now I will try it. Here I will write print statement and then write hello world and then press on run button. Wow, it is running. It is Swift language designed by Apple. So thank you friend for watching this video.